This is the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S in chalk white. And this car is sitting at around $270,000. So, let's talk about what you actually get for that money. Starting from the front, the bumper has these 5 vertical active air intake slats that open and close on their own depending on what the car needs, cooling or aerodynamic efficiency. The headlights are round, which is classic 911, but they are fully LED and pack the running lights, main beam and indicators all into one clean unit. Below the bumper, there is an active front spoiler lip that deploys automatically at speed to push the nose down. Everything on this front end is functional. Nothing is here just to look good. Moving to the side, this is where the Turbo S body makes itself obvious. It sits 45 mm wider at the front than a standard 911 Carrera and 20 mm wider at the rear. The side skirts and mirror caps are finished in gloss black, which contrasts nicely against the white paint. The rear quarter panels have large functional air intakes cut into them that feed air directly to the engine. The wheels are 20-inch at the front and 21-inch at the rear, finished in dark center-lock design with Turbonite, which is Porsche's exclusive grey-gold color for turbo models only. These wheels look aggressive and fill the arches perfectly. On the lower door, you have the Turbo S badge, small and subtle, but it is there. The rear of this car is where it gets really wide and really planted looking. The rear tires are 325 section, which is 10 mm wider than the previous generation, and you can see that width when you stand behind the car. There is an active rear spoiler that rises and tilts automatically, a structured rear diffuser below, and the exhaust exits through a sport titanium system that sounds as good as it performs. Inside, the cabin is driver-focused, but genuinely comfortable. The seats are 18-way electrically adjustable sport seats, and they hold you perfectly whether you are commuting or driving hard. The instrument cluster is fully digital and configurable. The center infotainment screen is large and clean, and everything from navigation to live performance data is right there in front of you. The Turbonite color runs through the interior, on the door panels, steering wheel, dashboard trim, gear selector, and even the seatbelts. It gives the interior a consistent, premium feel that is unique to the Turbo S. The steering wheel is the right size, the paddles fall exactly where your fingers rest, and the build quality is exactly what you expect at this price level. Now, the performance. Under the rear engine lid sits a 3.6-liter flat 6 producing 701 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This engine uses 2 electric turbochargers. Each one has an electric motor built directly into it that spins the turbo to full boost instantly without any lag. On top of that, there is an electric motor inside the 8-speed PDK gearbox, adding even more immediate power delivery. The result is 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.4 seconds and a top speed of 200 miles per hour. The torque is not a spike. It sits flat from below 2,000 revolutions per minute all the way past 6,000 revolutions per minute, which means every time you press the accelerator, the response is instant and continuous. At the Nürburgring, this car lapped in 7 minutes and 3 seconds, 14 full seconds faster than the previous Turbo S. The brakes are carbon ceramic, the largest Porsche has ever fitted to a 2-door car, and the suspension is electro-hydronic, running off the car's 400-volt system for faster reactions than conventional suspension. The price starts at $270,300 for the coupe. The cabriolet version starts at $284,300. Fully optioned with the carbon fiber aero pack and turbo-exclusive wheels, you are looking at over $300,000. For that money, you get the most powerful 911 ever made. All-wheel drive, a car that is as comfortable on a daily commute as it is terrifying on a racetrack, and a build quality that nothing in this price range can match.